So in today's video, I want to share some advice and tips on how to share your bed with your baby. There were two things to take care of when he was completely like a very small baby. That time my main concern was rolling over him, and now when he has grown up a little bit and he's able to move around, my second concern is that he might jump off the bed. Say hi friends. Welcome to my channel. It's me Suvik and my mama Supriya. Tell them your nickname, baby. Tell them your nickname. Say my nickname is Goopy. My nickname is Goopy. I am Goopy. At home people call me Goopy. But my name is Suvik. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Supriya, and for those who are new here, I am a single mom living in India, raising my half French and half Indian child here. So basically ever since Suvik is born, he has been sleeping by my side in my bed. I mean, it always felt a little dangerous to do so because he's such a tiny, he was also premature, so he was even more tiny and petite and small and weak. Sleeping next to such a small, fragile child, I always was really scared that I might just turn over him. So the first part of me rolling over him, I made his bed on top of the bed. Was not like plain bed and the baby's lying on the bed. He was sleeping on something on the bed. So this is my bed. This yellow mat helps me with not rolling over him because it makes him look a little bigger than the tiny little baby he is. The yellow thing gives him more space on the bed, so I'm subconsciously more aware of his presence. Secondly, which helped me a lot to be at ease that I will not roll over him, was the mosquito net. It's quite big, so then you know that something's there, and it's not like a small baby, it's like a huge thing that's next to you. Second, this is a mosquito net which I put over him like this. Hey baby. Yeah. So now when I sleep next to him, he's no longer a tiny baby. He seems much bigger than the tiny little baby he is. Regarding him moving around and me being scared of him falling off the bed, I dealt with that by asking my carpenter to build a kind of a crib like thing around two sides of my bed. As I said, I asked my carpenter to build this, so I can put this here like this. Yep, voila. Now he's all safe. So for now, I just put it on like this. I keep it on like this. But for when he grows up, my carpenter also made this, which is the second layer of protection for when he's a little older. And then I'm on that side, so he does not have a place to fall off from my bed. So it's like a small crib. It's like I made myself a small crib to sleep with my baby. I can put them off like normally when I'm in my room. At night I put it on. So right now I just put on the one. Look at him here, all happy and safe, sleeping with mama. Hi baby, say hi hi. See, mama's little astronaut. He'll be an astronaut. And he's very quiet baby. He's been lying down while I've been making this entire video, and he's not said a thing. Even when he wakes up, if he can see me around, he doesn't cry much. He just knows, okay, I'm here, and will just look at me and sometimes talk to me, look at me, laugh, and yeah, he's just a very quiet baby. That's how I co-sleep with my baby. I hope this video helped. Also, if you do like the video, please don't forget to like, and if you genuinely like my content, then yes, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you know of something that apart from this which might help, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And